how would you know when a keyword should be moved to another campaign? And what's the right way to do it? My answer to that is you would know once that it generated something super specific. Let me just share some of the strategies that we run here at ScaleWave. The way how we're seeing search terms is, did it generate something and what was the results? So did it generate sales? Great. And this means that this search term, it has a potential to be a good candidate for a campaign, or the search term has a potential to be a good candidate in a negative keyword list. And why is that important? Is because technically you're not moving it into another campaign, but sometimes you might be even negating the keyword if it's not bringing you the outcome that you desire. Now, in this case, let's assume that the search term itself is bringing you the results that you're looking for. We are not moving it into another campaign. We are not pausing it. We are just going to keep it at the same bid level, same optimal bid level, bringing us the same sales. And then what we can do, we can create a new ad campaign with that specific keyword in this case, and then see how it's going to perform in its own campaign when you allocate its own budget. It's because it's the same concept when most people are asking, okay, so in an auto campaign, one specific search term, it generates a lot of sales. Should I pause it? And my answer, no, do not pause it there, even if you're going to create a new campaign with separate dedicated budget. So the same strategy applies also here. When you know that a keyword is performing in a certain way, then you would either create its own campaign, either you would add it to your negative list. In case that it's performing really well, what you would do, you just create its own campaign, allocate its dedicated budget, and then see how can you replicate the same success from the previous campaign. Usually that's not always the case. So just letting you know that most people are preaching that, oh yes, move them into their own campaigns. You sometimes cannot replicate the same success, just letting you know. But that is really important that you asked.